This is what brought me to Lake Butler Hospital was, well, I fell and I couldn't get up, and they called the rescue and they took me to the hospital, and I had broke my hip. Well, they've helped me to be able to stand up and walk and just move around. I couldn't do any of that when I came here, but they've helped me to do that. I got the best of care with the therapy, with everything. All the CNAs and nurses are very nice to me, and that makes a difference when you got health problems. If I wanted to describe Lake Butler Hospital in one word, I would say wonderful. Well, I'm on my way to walking again, and that's the main thing. They've helped me all kind of ways. It feels very good to have this care close to home.